Create interpolated sets tutorial. Let us start by uploading on our platform the initial and final images of the 3-atom hydrogen molecular structure, in the PostSCAR format, via the relevant option under the Materials Collection page. Please wait for the uploading of the structures to the Materials Collection to finish. Once the uploading is completed, open the Materials Designer interface via the corresponding Create button. From within the Materials Designer interface, open the Input-Output menu, and import the previously uploaded initial and final H3 molecules via the relevant option. Let us also delete the original default silicon material. Now we need to clone and rename both the initial and final structures, via the relevant option under the Edit menu, for a correct final attribution of the indices within the resulting ordered set. Please repeat the same procedure for both structures. We also need to delete the original structures from the left-hand items list sidebar. Let us take a moment to inspect both the initial and final H3 molecular structures, with the help of the interactive 3D viewer. Then, open the Advanced menu option, in order to generate an interpolated set. We select to generate 3 intermediate images between the initial and final structures within the interpolated set. This will add the intermediate images to the left-hand sidebar list of structures, on top of the original initial and final images. Let us now cycle through all images comprised within the resulting interpolated set, in order to observe the corresponding shift in the hydrogen atomic positions within the H3 molecule. We now save the entire interpolated set to our Materials Collection, via the corresponding option under the Input-Output menu, after inserting a couple of descriptive tags. We choose to save the interpolated set within a new folder set in our Materials Collection, which we create purposely via the relevant option. We call our new set NEB set. And then change its type to ordered, such that every image within the interpolated set will have a unique ordering index attributed to it. We finally select the newly created ordered set for saving the contents of our interpolated set, and wait until the saving operation is completed. Now open the Input-Output menu to exit the Materials Designer interface, and return to the original Materials Collection page, where the new NEB set can be retrieved for inspection of its contents. Inside the NEB set, the user will be able to see the complete list of image structures of the H3 molecule comprised within our interpolated set, of which there are 5 in total, 3 of which are intermediate plus the original initial and final images. Each one has its own ordering index assigned to it. Let us conclude this tutorial by visualizing the contents of the NEB set, via the relevant option in the Materials Explorer interface. This allows us to inspect the entire interpolated set, including initial, final and intermediate images, within a single instance of the Materials Viewer interface. This completes the present tutorial.